Hey guys, today we're going to try to install this Wiseman's hooking ring onto this Endura. So if you've never seen the internals of a linear lock knife, spine lock knife before, this is what it kind of looks like. It's got one spring right here in the middle of the spine to push that blade. Other than that, it just kind of freely rotates like this. You can obviously do a lot of cutting, so be careful. Alright. So very, very simple, very basic knife right there. So let's kind of see how that goes. Hey man. Alrighty. Set up my tripod up here. First thing you need to do is pop the original spring out. Kind of note which direction it is. Okay, you want to reinsert it back into this aluminum ring right here. It'll work its way back into the liners. Alright, these are machined very precisely. You got these little edge stoppers right here. And this is going to go right back into there. Be careful, don't close that blade in your hand. This is the forward lock pin right here. And it'll just simply ease right into this space. Meticulous work. I'm trying to work this damn. So when in doubt, cuss. Probably isn't the answer, but it'll make you feel better. They'll probably tell me something weird like tape the blade up or something crazy. Alright. One right there. Oh, shit. Now we're going to take this piece and wiggle it right up the tail bum meats here. Move my belly out the way. Alright. Other than that, just going to put these screws back in. The knife is reassembled.